How to create fun, interactive, and engaging classroom activities using Copilot. Here you can see that I have two PDF files. One is the qualification handbook that gives learning outcomes and assessment criteria. The other is the textbook of the course, and we drag those files into Copilot. I am now going to tell Copilot to read the PDF files, but to pay specific attention to the module that I'm creating the activity for. Let's take a look at the instruction in more detail. So, I am telling Copilot to read the PDF and the specific module I want to create this activity for, which in this case is 101.2.1. I want the activity to be gamified, but have the ability for students to either take part as a team or individually. I will also require the following. Now in this next part, I list quite a few things I want to include in my activity pack so that anyone can use them. You, by no means, have to include all of these, but I find this to give the best results for what I am trying to achieve. First, I want an activity aim, some learning objectives, an activity overview. I want to show others how this activity can help learning, some student instructions and lecturer instructions, some scaffolding options and differentiation strategies, and of course some assessment opportunities. Lastly, I want a mapping table, which, as you know, awarding bodies love to see. After adding all that requested information, Copilot does what it does best, and within seconds I have a fully loaded activity ready for the classroom. So, what's next? Copilot has created the activity. Now it's time for you to put that information into a pack ready to be used. There may be some preparation that is required for the activity. Things like card sets, worksheets, activity sheets, board games, and more. Whatever the type of activity you create, there is another app you may want to try. This is called Canva. Thank you for taking the time to look at this learning material. It was brought to you by Leeds College of Building, written and developed by James Ricks.